Nothing OS 4.0 is shaping up to be one of the most important updates in Nothing's software journey. Built on Android 16 and promising a more refined, intelligent, and reliable user experience. It combines a cleaner design, smarter AI integration, and several performance upgrades that aim to make everyday use smoother and more enjoyable for users of Nothing smartphones. The company has officially previewed the software through teasers and beta releases, giving fans a clear look at what is coming next. One of the standout features in Nothing OS 4.0 is the new upgraded TrueLens Engine, designed to improve both the camera and gallery. With this, users get better control over photo settings, optimized presets, and a more interactive interface for editing and organizing images. The focus is on delivering a faster, more natural flow between capturing a shot and viewing it in the gallery, reducing the delays that sometimes break the experience of mobile photography. The interface itself has received a noticeable overhaul, while still staying true to Nothing's minimalist design philosophy. Icons now look sharper, lock screen clock styles are cleaner, and the quick settings panel has been redesigned with larger, easier-to-tap toggles. For users who prefer darker themes, an extra dark mode pushes blacks to a deeper level, reducing eye strain and saving power on OLED displays. There is also a new pop-up view that allows two floating apps to stay accessible at once, making multitasking more easy. By the way, did you like the new OS design? Feel free to share in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Artificial intelligence plays a bigger role in this update, but Nothing is taking a unique approach by focusing on transparency and user control. The AI Usage Dashboard is a new addition that shows how much AI processing is happening in the background, complete with real-time activity status and usage metrics. This makes the system feel less hidden and more open, giving users better visibility over how their devices use AI. Other refinements include more stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, improvements to the always-on display, and faster app launches that make the system feel quicker overall. The rollout will begin with the Nothing Phone 3 and gradually extend to models like the Phone 3A, Phone 2, Phone 2A, and the CMF series. The original Phone 1 may not get the full OS 4.0 update as it nears the end of its update cycle, although Nothing has hinted at a separate program to reward early adopters. Beta testing is already underway, and an open beta expected to expand soon to other devices before the stable release. Did you get the beta version? Let us know in the comments. Furthermore, Nothing is also committed to long-term support for its latest devices, confirming that the Phone 3 will receive 5 years of Android upgrades and 7 years of security patches. This positions Nothing OS 4.0 as not only a major step in design and features, but also as the base for years of updates to come. For users, this means more value and longevity from their devices. Overall, Nothing OS 4.0 is not just about a visual refresh. It represents a more thoughtful approach to modern smartphone software, where design clarity, AI transparency, and system stability work together. By focusing on user needs and long-term support, Nothing is showing its intent to build an ecosystem that feels smooth, reliable, and future-ready. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing OS 4? Are you excited about it? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.